In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add BMI Calculator in WordPress. If you want visitors to quickly check their body mass index right on your site, adding a BMI calculator is a great lightweight feature. I'll walk you through the essentials on WordPress.com, keeping it simple and clear so you know exactly what to expect. Start by signing into your WordPress.com dashboard and opening the plugins section. This is where you can browse the official plugin directory. If you don't see a plugins menu or you encounter a notice about upgrading, that's normal on WordPress.com. Third-party plugins are available only on specific paid plans. You can still explore what's available to decide whether an upgrade is worth it for you. Once you're in the plugins area, use the search bar and type BMI Calculator. You're looking for a plugin that clearly states it calculates BMI and ideally supports both metric and imperial units. As results appear, click into a few plugin cards to open their details. This is your chance to check the description, screenshots, ratings, number of active installations, and when it was last updated. Consistent updates and positive reviews are good signs that the tool is reliable and well maintained. While you're reviewing the plugin page, look for practical details that affect your workflow. See whether it offers a block for the editor or uses a shortcode, since that determines how you'll add the calculator to a page or post. Check for customization options such as unit toggles, labels, colors, and accessibility features. Make sure the plugin is marked as compatible with your current WordPress version. If the listing includes a demo or screenshots of the calculator in action, take a moment to gauge how it will look on both desktop and mobile. When you've identified a BMI calculator that fits your needs, choose that plugin from the search results. On WordPress.com, you may be prompted to upgrade your plan before you can proceed with installation. That prompt simply means the plugin feature isn't available on your current plan. If you do have access, the platform will guide you through what happens next directly from the plugins page. If not, you can bookmark the plugin and revisit it after upgrading. A quick tip before you wrap up your selection: take note of any documentation or support links listed on the plugin page. Clear setup guides and responsive support can save you time later, especially if you plan to style the calculator or embed it in multiple places across your site. That's all you need to confidently find and choose a BMI calculator for your WordPress site. Thanks for watching and happy building.